Hello everyone, in this video, I will be going over how to search tabs in Google Chrome. So let's get started. Finding a specific tab among many open tabs in a browser can be time-consuming and troublesome. So, when you have multiple tabs open in Chrome, simply click the downward-facing arrow located in the top right corner of the browser window. This action will reveal a search bar where you can start typing a website URL, word, phrase, or any other search term related to the tab you are looking for. As you type, Chrome will display relevant search results below the search bar, and clicking on one of these results will instantly take you to the open tab you are seeking for. It's that simple. No more tedious clicking through each tab. With Chrome's search feature, you can quickly locate and switch to the tab you need with ease, streamlining your browsing experience and saving valuable time. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.